it's Irena and today we're making apricot jam. I make jam all the time when it's in season and it's plentiful. Or if I have any left over in the fridge or in the freezer. Recently I made a nice berry jam because I had bits and pieces left over. But today I'm making apricot jam and I'm using the recipe book. It came with your Cook Expert. So we're doing apricot jam, which is on page 300. Here it is. Looks very impressive, and that's because it is. And it's very simple. Very, very simple. So it's a matter of just throwing it all in and turning it on. I have about 1 kilo of apricots here, and so in they get. I've just halved them, like so. And about half a kilo of sugar. Now, these are different measurements to what's in the book. I've doubled it, but really it's up to you. And you don't need to use as much, or you can use more sugar if you like. So that's your choice. I'm adding a bit of lemon here, lemon's juice. And lemon juice is for the pectin. Pectin helps the gelling process in making jam. So just a little bit of lemon juice like that is perfect, as simple as it is. So now I turn it on. So we're going to our expert mode. So okay, we're going to go for 45 minutes. So there it is there, 45 minutes. You can see that's lit up. We're going to go across to the next one, and it's A1. A1 just stirs it. So usually if you were going to make jam over on the stove, you'd be standing there stirring the whole time. Whereas here, just turn it on and it stirs it for you. So we're going to go to A1, and then across here, it's 100 degrees. So we're going 100 degrees, whoops, skipped across, like so, and we turn it on. Okay. Now, I'm not going to turn that on for you now because we're not going to be here for 45 minutes. It's going to be turned on later on, but when it comes to the 45 minutes, you need to stop, have a look and see whether it's ready or whether it needs a little bit more time. I'll show you what to look for. So you take some of the jam out of your bowl, like so. This is jam that I made before. And you let it cool for a little bit, you blow on it, and then you just move it around like so. Come a bit closer and have a look, please. So you can see how it's just moving that jam? It's bunching up. Well, that tells you that it's ready. If it's cooling and it's running, it needs a little bit more cooking. So I think I added another 20 minutes or something to mine before. But that's the way to test your jam, and it's actually really, yeah, it's perfect to me. All right, so happy jam making. See you later.